Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. Do not eat persimmons on an empty stomach. Follow me and I will tell you why. Persimmon is the fruit of several species of dicotyledonous flowering plants. Some of these plants are small leaves and some are evergreen. Most of these species are native to tropical regions and only a few of them are spread in temperate climates. The fruit of several species of persimmon is edible. The largest persimmon producer in the world is China, with 3,210,000 tons of production according to the statistics of 2020. The Japanese persimmon tree is the most cultivated type of persimmon, which usually has a height of 4.5 to 18 meters. The leaves are 5 to 15 centimeters long and their upper surface is wooden and shiny. Male and female flowers are produced on separate trees. The male flowers are pink and appear in groups of 3. They have a 4-parted perianth and 24 stamens in the center. The female flowers are cream white in color and appear singly. Persimmon fruit matures in late autumn and can remain on the tree until winter. The color of ripe fruits, depending on the species, subspecies, and variety, varies from bright yellow to dark orange and red. Depending on the species, the diameter of the fruits may be spherical, oak-like, or pumpkin-like. The flesh of the fruit is nasty taste until fully ripe and is yellow, orange, or dark brown in color. The calyx usually remains attached to the fruit after harvesting, but it is easily separated after the fruit ripens. The ripe fruit is rich in sucrose, mainly in the form of fructose and glucose, and has a sweet taste. Compared to apples, Japanese persimmons have higher levels of edible fiber and some nutrients. But in general, they are an important source of micronutrients. This fruit contains manganese and beta-carotene. American persimmon is a rich source of vitamin C and iron. Persimmon fruits also contain plant chemicals such as catechin, gallocatechin, and butylenic acid. Persimmons can be consumed fresh, dried, or cooked and are usually used in the preparation of drinks, pies, and puddings all over the world. Just one persimmon contains more than half of the recommended intake of vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin that is vital for immune system function, vision, and fetal development. Persimmons have very little fat and protein and are rich in vitamins and minerals. They contain a significant amount of vitamin B6, A, C, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, and dietary fiber. Do not eat persimmons on an empty stomach. Persimmons contain large amounts of pectin and thonic acid, which, when react with stomach acid, form an insoluble jelly that easily causes kidney stones. Persimmon leaves are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and are also a common ingredient in therapeutic teas. Also, persimmon leaves contain flavonoids which are antihypertensive, anti-cancer, and anti-mutagenic. At the same time, the leaves of this tree have antihistamine properties and reduce allergic reactions. In addition to being delicious, persimmons are rich in nutrients that can be beneficial for your health in several ways, which we present here. Number 1. Excellent source of strong antioxidants. Useful plant compounds found in persimmons have antioxidants properties. Antioxidants prevent or slow down cell damage by removing free radicals. Also, consuming foods rich in antioxidants such as persimmons can help fight stress and reduce the risk of some chronic diseases. Also, the orange color of persimmons is due to the presence of beta-carotene, which is associated with reducing the risk of metabolic diseases. Number 2. Help maintain heart health. The powerful combination of nutrients found in persimmons makes them an excellent choice for boosting heart health. Diets rich in flavonoids can support heart health by lowering blood pressure, lowering bad cholesterol, and reducing inflammation. In addition, the tannins that are present in unripe persimmons cause bitterness and unpleasant taste in the mouth, may reduce blood pressure. Number 3. Help reduce inflammation. Choosing foods that have high anti-inflammatory compounds can help reduce inflammation and reduce the risk of disease. Among these compounds is vitamin C. On persimmon provides 14% of the body's daily requirement. This vitamin protects the cells and reduces the damage of free radicals by introducing electrons to these unstable molecules. Persimmons also contain carotenoids, flavonoids, and vitamin E, all of which are powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. Number 4. Rich in fiber. Foods rich in soluble fiber, such as fruits and vegetables, can help lower high cholesterol levels by helping the body get rid of excess cholesterol. Persimmon is a high fiber fruit that has been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels. It is also important to maintain regular bowel movements and by slowly digesting carbohydrates and absorbing sugar. They help prevent blood sugar increase. Also, fiber helps to fuel the good bacteria in the intestines, which can have a positive effect on your digestion and overall health. Number 5. Help improve vision and maintain eye health. Persimmons contain large amounts of vitamin A and antioxidants that are vital for eye health. In fact, one persimmon fruit provides 15% of the body's recommended amount of vitamin A. Persimmons also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are carotenoid antioxidants that improve eyesight. Number 6. Helping skin health and repair. Persimmons are used as a treatment for skin problems such as acne, scars, blemishes, uneven pigmentation, and eczema. This is due to the anti-inflammatory properties of antioxidants and other bioactive compounds found in persimmons. Premature wrinkles, spots caused by acne scars, and injuries on the skin. They are reduced by consuming persimmons and with regular use of fruits or products containing them. You can achieve a uniform skin color. Number 7. Anti-cancer properties. Persimmons have strong anti-cancer properties and can reduce the growth and spread of many types of cancer. This phenomenon is due to the high amount of antioxidants and biologically active compounds in persimmons. These compounds stop the cell cycle in cancer cells and lead to cell deaths. Number 8. Help with weight management. Persimmons are low in calories and fat, and at the same time provide a satisfying sweetness. On the other hand, dates are a good source of dietary fiber, which leads to a feeling of satiety and reduces overeating. Finally, persimmons contain the right amount of water, which helps to hydrate the body and can help control hunger. Number 9. Maintaining the health and stability of the immune system. In addition to the benefits we have reviewed so far, vitamin C in persimmons strengthens the body's immune system and helps defend the body against infections and diseases. It also increases collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues. Number 10. Helping the health of the digestive system. Persimmons contain food fiber that helps to strengthen the digestive system. Fiber makes the stool bulky and helps prevent constipation and increase regular bowel movements. It also supports the growth of beneficial intestinal bacteria that are essential for proper digestion and absorption of nutrients. In addition, persimmon contains tannin, which has astringent properties that can relieve the symptoms of diarrhea. Drug interactions. Persimmons can react with all kinds of drugs. For example, high blood pressure drugs slow down blood clotting and react with persimmons. If you are taking medication, consult your doctor before eating persimmons. Disadvantages of persimmons. Although persimmons are good for the stomach, it is strictly forbidden to eat unripe fruit for people who have constipation or have recently undergone abdominal surgery. Another example of persimmon side effects is related to diabetes and should be consumed carefully because it contains a lot of sugar. Also, persimmons are more harmful than useful for urinary tract diseases and kidney diseases that are in the acute stage. It isn't recommended to consume persimmon during breastfeeding because there is a possibility of an allergic reaction. We've reached the end of this video, and I hope I've provided some useful tips about persimmons. You can share this information with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a good day, and we wish you good health.